Thank you very much. Okay. As you said, when we met, I rolled out my vision, and the areas that I told you I was going to concentrate on were education, health, sanitation, especially. And I can say that so far, so good. We have not done badly at all, irrespective of the challenges that have come our way since then. So we have been on with education. In fact, what we met, there were a lot of buildings, school buildings that had been abandoned. As I speak now, I cannot give you the figures, but I can tell you that all the buildings that, or the projects that I met that were not completed, I have completed almost all. I made sure that we completed the old ones before starting our own projects. And I can say that we are about 90%, we have completed about 90% of what we met, and we have started our own. We saw that there were a lot of leakages in the revenue collection. A lot of the revenue was going into the pockets of the collectors. So we have tried to plug those holes. And so we have brought in this consultant, and he's working hard to get us the database so that based on that, we know how to collect the right revenue for the development of the area. People with Disability Association, and they are always coming to the assembly offices. And so we bring them in the mainstreaming of the decisions that we take. So it is on course. Yes. Yes.
So how many of them would you say are working actively with the assembly?
Well, for example, we had one, the radio operator. We have two operators. One was a disabled person. So they are all part of the assembly. We have another who is a revenue collector. So we can talk of about 4 of them who are on our staff. Yes, at the assembly. So the collaboration between Star Ghana and Coastal TV, I think it's a very good, example of how we should now focus our news and such projects, because, as I said earlier, our news items have always been towards politics and other things. But what is the essence of politics? Politics is for development. And so what I have realized is that the collaboration is bringing out some of the development projects that we, especially in the rural areas, we are doing. And so it is a good step in the right direction. In the next level, maybe Coastal TV should get more involved, and then the projects that we are doing in our districts, our various districts, you should bring them out for the people to see that this is what we are doing. And so if, like we used to have in the olden days, the abansene and those things, if we can bring those things more to the people for them to see what those of us are doing, I think it will be in the right direction. So maybe it should now be focused on bringing the projects to the attention of the people, for the people to see what maybe the political, actors are also doing for them. Yes, and I think Coastal TV, with the collaboration with Star Ghana, you can do a lot in that direction. We are also using the assembly members and the unit committee members. They are always with the people, and so they carry our activities and our visions and problems and other things to the people. So we are always engaging them, and we are getting feedbacks and other things. Yes. So that is why we are saying that your steps are also enhancing that engagement. And so if it can be deepened, we will appreciate it.